This is the size carry-on that you should be using while traveling international. Look at the difference. Oh, I can't even contain my excitement, you guys. It's finally here. It's finally here. They finally made one, and it's here in my studio, and I get to review it before the launch. Yes. If you are a BÉIS fan, somebody that packs light, and an international traveler, then you know exactly what I'm talking about and why I'm so excited today. Say it with me. BÉIS finally made an international sized carry-on. Raise your hand if you have been waiting for a smaller carry-on from BÉIS. And raise your hand if you've been victimized by some gate agent when your BÉIS carry-on roller was too big and they made you gate check it. Yeah, me too, which is why I'm so thrilled. And their name for it, the small carry-on. And you guys, it is small and it's supposed to be small. Everyone's like, well, I hope it's not too small. And I understand that, but if you've ever traveled internationally the way that I have, these bags are meant to be small. And now gone are the days where those international gate agents are going to raise their eyebrows at you and give a little scowl and say, gate check. Oh, that guy in Paris was so mean to me. So what I'm gonna do today is show you the small carry-on. Outside details, the inside details. I'm going to measure the bag and weigh it. And then of course, I'm going to give a packing example at the end so that you can see exactly how much this small carry-on will hold. And then I also want to bring out the original carry-on that I have to really compare it for you guys. Because for international flights, size matters. So to begin, let me explain sizing. A lot of people don't realize, and honestly, I didn't even realize when I first started my luggage journey, that there's two different size carry-ons out there. There's the much larger size one that Americans typically use because our domestic carriers allow it. And then there's the international carry-ons, or pretty much the carry-ons that the rest of the world allows, that are 45 linear inches total when you add up the length, width, and the depth. So now that I've explained that, hopefully it helps so that you can better understand why so many of us needed this bag. I've been to 100 countries, all 7 continents, and I've never been able to use my original BÉIS carry-on. 99.9% of my trips are international. So let me start by bringing up this guy. I mean, honestly, it looks great. So let's slide this one over and show you the small version. As soon as you see the small version, you're going to think that this carry-on looks gargantuan. You're going to know why all the gate agents look at you like, no. Because this is the size carry-on that you should be using while traveling international. Look at the difference. You want to complete your bucket list around the world? This is what you're going to need. So let's get started on our review. And the first thing that I want to do is measure this bag because I know all of you are waiting to see just how small it is. So here we go. The height, including the wheels and including the top handle, is 21 inches. The depth is about 9, and I'm gonna explain in a little bit, but so you know, this bag is not expandable. And then as for the width, which will include the side handle, we are looking at 13 inches. Which means it is perfectly acceptable in terms of linear inches. So let's go ahead and weigh this bag. It is weighing in at 7.1 pounds. For most internationally sized hardshell carry-ons, that's pretty average. Some go up to 8 or 9, some are as low as 6. So I like 7 pounds. It's right in the middle. So now let's take all of the dimensions that I just told you and compare them to the original sized carry-on, because now you can see just how smaller these dimensions are than these dimensions. So the cost of this luggage is $218, and it comes in the colors beige, black, olive, maple, and Atlas Pink. Okay, so let's start our tour. And if you already have a BÉIS carry-on roller, the bag is pretty much the same. Like I said, the only difference is that this one does not have an expansion feature. And there's a reason for that. As you remember, the depth of this bag is 9 inches. You guys have seen my sizer videos. Sometimes these bags need to fit in the sizers. And if you were to expand this bag, and I know a lot of us love to shop, myself included, then it would be 11 inches, and then it wouldn't be accepted and you'd have to check it on the way home. So maybe pack it with a little bit of extra space if you can't control your shopping urges while traveling. So hard shell polycarbonate, and they have these horizontal grooves that pop out as opposed to going in. I feel like it protects the bag a little bit. So on the front, you do have this retractable bag strap. Pull this down and you can very easily attach a bag up to 15 pounds and hang it from here while you're traveling. So this bag does have a top handle and of course your side handle. Your side handle is a little bit easier to grab than the top one, and it does pop out a little bit more. On the side here, you do have this weight indicator, and this will turn red if the bag is over 50 pounds. And what I would like is maybe for the smaller carry-on, do it for 20 pounds. That would be really cool. Then you can see here, obviously there are color matched zippers. The beige has the beige, the maple's gonna have the maple, the Atlas Pink is gonna have the Atlas Pink, and so on. You have 2 zippers that have the BÉIS logo on them, and they are going to lock into your TSA lock. When you wanna open it, just put in your code, pull that down, and it opens. Now this telescopic handle, you guys, is one of my favorites that I have ever had on any piece of luggage. The button is on top, but then when you press that and pull it up, there is this silicone padding underneath where your hand is going to rest while you are wheeling this through airports and city centers and through your hotel and on carpet. It may seem like the silliest little luxurious thing, but I'm telling you, when you travel as much as I do and your travel days are long and crazy, your hand will hurt. And this is a very, very good thing. And then of course you have the 360 wheels, which have always been wonderful. So I think it is now time to open up the bag. Let's show you the inside. And here you have it, just like the BÉIS carry-on that we know and love. On this side, you are going to have your vertical compression straps with your buckle, and then you have this compression pad that is removable. It does have a zipper all the way around here in the front, and then on the back, you have another zipper with a mesh compartment. And then once we remove the pad, you just have your packing space in here, but of course, this is the side of the luggage that has the area for the telescopic handle. And of course, you can always strategically pack things in between if you want to really play a fun game of packing Tetris. And then moving on to this side, you guys, this is probably one of my favorite setups. So you will have the whole side zippered and contained, which I love because this is the side where I'm going to pack my loose items and I don't want it to fall out. But the reason why I love it the most are these 2 organizational zippered pockets. You might be saying, well, Lauren, most bags have 2 pockets. It's not anything ingenious, but it is, and I prefer it because this one is going to be for your wet items, and that could have really come in handy on my 14-hour layover in Fiji a couple of weeks ago. Wet swimsuit, put it in here, would have been great. And then this one is just your other typical pocket. But the reason I love these is because they actually have a lot of room. Most bags, it's just really flat and you can barely fit a bathing suit or a couple pairs of underwear in there. These you can actually utilize as packing cubes if you really wanted to. And you'll see that during my packing example. And then when I open up this side of the bag, you will just see packing space. There are no obstructions here whatsoever. And of course, what would a base roller be without their dirt bag? It's very nice to have a laundry bag, especially when you're on a rather long trip. And then they have a second bag too that says not basic, and I love that. If luggage doesn't come with a laundry bag these days, I'm like, what's wrong with you? I also forgot to mention that there is this little flap right here, and to be honest, that's probably where I would store my laundry bag until I have to start using it. Okay, so now we're going to measure the interior of the bag. The exterior measurements are very important for your airline, but the interior measurements are important for you when you have to pack them. You know, the exterior, we have to include the wheels and the handles and all of that stuff, but really it's just like how much space is the actual suitcase portion of it. So the height here is 19, the width is 12, and then the depth here is just shy of 4.5. It's going to likely be the same on this side. Sometimes the depth is different, so let's check. No, it's about the same, just shy of 4.5. And then of course, we will do this shoe test, which my very first review of any carry-on in the world did not fit one of Brian's size 13 shoes, so I returned it, then found the base carry-on, which did hold one of Brian's shoes, and started the shoe test. We've really come full circle here. So yeah, his shoe fits perfectly into this side to still be able to close it. And then on this side, could totally fit. Brian and I will be using this bag and our second one that we got in Maple on our next trip when we go to Europe in July. So what I want to do now is pack this bag for you guys. I know a lot of you may be thinking that there's no way that you can go on a trip with a bag this small, but I assure you, you can. And I am a prime example of that. I have traveled all over the world for almost 10 years in a carry-on, and I'm plus size. So if I can do it, you can do it. And if you don't think you can, then you need my help and you need to watch my packing videos. Gosh, you guys, just when I started to pack this bag, I found this cute little pocket here for your air tag, just in case they do make you check it. How awesome is that? All right, friends, we are packed. And as you can see, I switched to the small carry-on in Maple for this part because I'm going to use beige packing cubes, and I really wanted you to be able to see a little bit easier. So let's undo this compression first, and you will see that I put in 2 packing cubes, and these are from the compression cube collection. These ones do not compress though, only the 2 bigger ones do. And I don't use big packing cubes in small bags. This one's a little bit bigger, this one's a little bit smaller. This set is a set of 6. 2 extra large compression cubes, 2 large packing cubes, and 2 small packing cubes. So in this bag, I have 3 pairs of pants and 2 skirts. And you guys know I'm all about the capsule wardrobe. This fits perfectly in 1/2 of this side. Now, this one is the smaller packing cube, and I put in 8 t-shirts. So between 8 tops and 5 bottoms, that can make so many combinations of outfits. What I did for this pack was just put them on top of each other. And as I left for my trip, this is how I would pack them. But then on the way home, we can get a little bit more creative, especially if we shop. I can squeeze this one in vertically and then look at the rest of the room that we have here for items that we might have purchased. If your packing cubes are coming up about 1 inch over the depth, it's okay because it will compress. Underneath in the grooves of the handles, I did put my flat iron, which I do always travel with so that I can curl my hair like I did today. In this little bag, again, I put the laundry bag. So yeah, that's when you are going to put your compression pad on top, buckle, and then you're going to pull these straps to compress it down so that it is the actual depth of the suitcase. You see that? For this side, I used these as my packing cube. So in this part, I did put 1 bathing suit, a 1-piece, size 2X. And then in this one, I did put 7 pairs of underwear and 1 bra that has an actual like cup, okay? And then we'll open up this and I'll show you what I put in here. And I still have a lot of room and I kind of ran out of stuff to put in there. I always pack my purse because I don't need my purse while I'm at the airport. So I did bring the BÉIS Sport Sling bag that everyone's been obsessed with. It packs pretty flat too, so that's great. I did pack my usual toiletries bag that I always have packed because this is the only one that I ever use. My little case with 2 pairs of sunglasses. One of the items from the BÉIS packing cubes in the maple set. This is a pair of shoes, women's size 11, a little packable umbrella, and then this is a packable jacket. So let's put it all back in here, and then I'm going to zip it up and I will weigh it for you guys. Y'all are obsessed with weight. But when I do weigh it, I want you to keep in mind that just because my suitcase weighs however much it's about to weigh doesn't mean that yours is gonna weigh that. It could be less, it could be more. This is fully packed. Get my scale back out, and it's 18.8 pounds or 8.5 kilos. So there you have it, you guys, the small carry-on from BÉIS. And we are ending the video with the maple version. So Brian and I will be traveling with these. We'll bring the beige one and the maple one on our next trip when we go together so that you guys can see what we packed and everything like that. If you want another packing video with one of these bags in the meantime, please let me know. I'm happy to do so. Let me know what you guys think. Are you as excited as I am? Are you going to buy this when it launches on Wednesday? Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm so excited to see what you think. And of course, if you want to travel often and pack well like I do, especially if you want to learn how to pack in a carry-on, then please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram, because I'm now at 100 countries, all 7 continents, and I'm still going and I'm still packing all the time. Thanks for watching, you guys, and thank you so much to BÉIS for sending me these beautiful small carry-ons and for finally making one that I can travel with. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!